All right, here we are. It is Friday. We made it to the end of the second week, and we had a great day today. We were working on the senses and reaction time lab, and let's take a look at our agenda. So today is Friday, September 7th. So again, today's Friday, September 7th. It was a B day. We had second block, sixth block, and eighth block today. Our objective, we had two, was I can record data in systematic, properly labeled tables and create and interpret bar graphs. I can use data to support or reject a hypothesis. We started off with the video about the gentleman who lost his sight but continued to climb Mount Everest and kayak down the Colorado River. And then we did a lesson on independent and dependent variables and writing a hypothesis. After that, we did the senses and reaction time lab with the meter stick, and we ended off class with an exit ticket on experimental design. I really want you to remember with the independent variable and the dependent variable, the one way that I have to remember it is a dependent variable. D stands for data table. So when you're thinking about that lab that we did today, you're thinking like, sorry, look at this. You're thinking about how you collected data on sight, hearing, and touch. And you put it into a data table. So that means that the dependent variable was when you were catching the meter stick, and that was measuring using centimeters your reaction time. So the dependent variable that you put into the data table was reaction time. The independent variable is the thing that you change, and the independent variable in this case were the senses, sight, hearing, and touch, because you kept dropping the meter stick over and over and over. That was a constant. But the thing that you changed was whether or not you had your eyes closed or your hearing blocked, or if somebody tapped you while you had your eyes closed. So I really want you to remember dependent variable and data table. Dependent variable equals what you measure. We also did some writing of the hypothesis, and so you want to remember that those are usually in an if-then statement, and it's if blah blah blah, the independent variable, you're making a prediction, sight or hearing or touch, you're choosing one, comma, then the dependent variable, then the reaction time will be faster. Most of the classes did not finish the lab today, so second period, you all needed some more time to finish your lab report. So most of you were able to collect the data, but you didn't get to finish writing the lab report. The same goes for sixth block, but I think that you got a little bit further along. And then eighth block, you also got a little bit further along, but you still need some time to finish up your reports and submit them and everything. So we'll look at those at the beginning of next class. Otherwise, I am really happy with everybody's work, and I will see you next week. I'll see you on Tuesday. All right, have a great weekend. Stay safe.